No jumping. Bobo. Yeah. Bobo said good morning. Hey Bobo. Huh? Where's your chicken you got yesterday? Right, the garage is getting on. They've got the steel work up pretty quick. What's that, 3 days? Sort of put the roof on now. Look, Bobo, because I've got myself my breakfast, nice sticky rice and a bit of pork. And I'm sort of Bobo's chasing me around, man. That's why I'm spinning around. So yeah, another day on Banded. Let me just put this up here, look, so I can eat it. Peace. Give him a bit. Give him that. Come on. That's good. No, Bobo. Have one. Look, you can get the stick off. Oh, young. Connie out. Well, I'm out. So, there she is, banding. You done that already, mate? Yep. So that's my garage. I'm going to park my boat, my car, and have a workshop. Because I need to make tables, chairs, for the restaurant. It's just good to have a workshop. I want all the stuff out of the house. So we can start doing shit. Oh, man, if you've ever bought a bit of land and built a house from scratch, it's a pain in the ass. Well, it is now, because we want to get in. It's got its highs and lows.